My name is Jack and I work for a charity called Diversity Role Models, and we're here at the secondary school in London to deliver a workshop on LGBTQ+ inclusion to a group of their Year 7 students. We have our fantastic role models who share a little bit of their personal story, and so we're really excited to see the impact that that will have.
So today I shared my personal lived experience of being part of the LGBTQ+ community. Sharing a real lived experience, you can't really beat that because you can't really understand an individual or a group or a community of people unless you try and get inside what it feels like to be part of that.
I thought that this workshop would be really useful for someone who was questioning whether they were a part of the LGBT community.
I like learning about Emma's story and how she overcame the challenges that she had.
So we know that the work that we do at Diversity Role Models is key. We're able to support the young people directly, but also the school staff as well, to help create that truly inclusive educational environment. It would be impossible for us to do that without the fantastic partnerships that we have with many funders who allow us to support schools who otherwise may not be able to afford the kind of workshops that we offer at Diversity Role Models.